Hey, I'm Jason Hardy with Elite Barbecue Smokers, and today I'm trying to cook a burger on a Rectech Wild Side. So let's get to prepping so we can get to cooking. So come on. So what's the one thing that's all American? All over the world they sell it and it comes back to America, and that's a burger. I'm gonna show you how to do this grilled cheeseburger on a Rectech Wild Side. You're gonna love this one. So the season we're using today is Heath Riles beef rub. And I'm doing this on some 80-20 burger patties. Let's get it on the grill. So I'm cooking this on a Rectech Wild Side here with the grill grates into it. I'm gonna get good char marks onto it. So while that's cooking, I'm gonna make my burger sauce. I'm using Dijon mustard and some Duke's mayonnaise, kind of equal parts of what I do. You can do it to taste. And you use the yellow mustard wherever you want to. I just like the consistency of this. That's how you do a burger, Elite Barbecue Smoker style. Let's slice it up and see what it tastes like. That's perfect, isn't it? That's how you do it, Elite Barbecue Smoker style right there. Let's taste it up. Man, you see the pink? That is perfect. Jesus. That's perfect. This here just kind of brought it to a whole nother level. That is absolutely a delicious burger. That's how you cook a perfect burger, Elite Barbecue Smoker style. See what Dolly thinks. Here. Dolly liked it. If Dolly liked it, I know you would too. Let's say the blessing. Lord, bless food by receive. Just name pray. Amen. Hey, if you like this video, thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe. And share it with your friends and family. See you next time. Appreciate you watching. This is a dang good burger.